Hey everyone, welcome back. In this full step-by-step guide, I'm going to show you how to plan your daily tasks in ClickUp in 2026. If you ever feel overwhelmed by tasks or unsure what to work on each day, yeah, this method will really help. Let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the ClickUp website. Once the page loads, sign into your ClickUp account using your email and password. If you normally use SSO, just select your provider and log in. After signing in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard where all your tasks and tools are available. Now, the best place to plan daily tasks is the Everything view or your personal task view. Click on Everything from the left sidebar. This shows all tasks you have access to across every space and list. To focus on daily planning, apply a filter and set the assignee to yourself. This way, you're only seeing tasks that matter to you today. Next, sort tasks by due date. This helps you instantly see what's due today, what's overdue, and what's coming up next. You can also filter by status like to do or in progress, so completed tasks don't distract you. Yeah, keeping it clean really matters. Now set priorities. Mark your most important tasks as high or urgent. This helps you decide what to work on first instead of guessing. A simple rule is to choose 3 to 5 top priority tasks for the day so your workload stays realistic. Another powerful tool is the calendar view. Switch to calendar view to visually plan your day and see deadlines laid out across time. This is especially useful if you're balancing meetings, deep work, and deadlines. You can also use checklists inside tasks to break work into small steps. This makes big tasks feel manageable and gives you quick wins as you check things off throughout the day. If you want automation, set up reminders or recurring tasks for daily routines. ClickUp can automatically remind you or recreate daily tasks so nothing gets forgotten. Finally, review your task list at the end of the day. Update task statuses, reschedule unfinished work, and prepare tomorrow's priorities. This habit keeps your ClickUp workspace and your mind organized. And that's it. That's how to plan your daily tasks in ClickUp in 2026, step by step. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tutorials. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next